Alright, in the previous meeting we have learned the material about shape, such as square, circle, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, and others. Then, what vocabulary should we use to describe the shape of object? As we know, every day we say many things that have different forms or different shape. Like when we see the window, then we can say like the window is rectangular. Yeah, rectangular is adjective word. And then adjective has function or purpose to describe something. So, what are some adjectives that can be used to describe the shape of an object? Let's find out together in Fun English Learning with Miss Ari. Okay, good morning students. How are you today? I hope all of you are in a good condition. Do you still remember me? Okay, maybe some of you still, but maybe the others are not. But don't worry about it. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ari Safina and just call me Miss Ari. Okay, in this video, we are going to learn about the adjective vocabulary related to the shapes. And after watching this video, I hope that you will be able to repeat and also read a lot the vocabulary, especially for the adjective word. And also you can pronounce the adjective words correctly and indicate the vocabulary based on the picture that given by the teacher. Before we start our lesson or study today, it is better for us to pray first. Let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay, finish. Alright, now I'm going to show you some adjective vocabulary related to the shape. And I also have prepared several cards here. Alright, it is so colorful, right? There are green, pink, yellow, blue, and others. Actually, this card has two different sides. For the front side, it is talk about the noun word. And then for the back side, it is talk about the adjective word. Okay, are you ready? Let's start the lesson today. Okay, for the first, we have square. Okay, square. Repeat after me, square. Did you still remember the meaning of square? Alright, square means persegi. And then for the adjective, it is so square. But maybe sometimes you can add like shape behind the word square. So we can say like square shape. Alright. So for example, here we have clock. And then you want to describe it, we can say that the clock shape is square. It is square shape. Alright, so it means that jam ini berbentuk persegi. It is square shape. Alright, and then the next we also have triangle. Alright, triangle. Okay, did you still remember the meaning of triangle? Alright, triangle means segitiga. And then for the adjective, you can say triangular. Triangular. Alright, great. And then for example, here we have a slice of pizza. Yeah, so yummy, right? Yes, then we want to describe it. Alright, we can say like this slice of pizza is triangular. Alright. Then we also have rectangle. Rectangle. Alright, did you still remember the meaning of rectangle? Yes, rectangle means persegi panjang. And then for the adjective, you can say that it is rectangular. Rectangular. Repeat after me. Rectangular. Alright. And then for example here we have a black bar. And then we want to describe it. And then we can say the black bar is rectangular. And then the next we have circle. Circle. Alright. Circle means lingkaran. Alright, and then for the adjective word, we can say circular. Circular. Repeat after me. Circular. Alright, for example, here we have a coin, and then we want to describe it. Just say coin is circular. And then the next, we also have oval. Oval. Alright, oval. Oval means oval. And then for the adjective, you can also say oval. It is same, but you can also add shape behind the word oval. For example, we have here, and then you want to describe it. For example, look at this oval plate. Look at this oval plate. Lihat piring berbentuk oval ini. And then the next is semicircle. Alright, semicircle. So what is the meaning of semicircle? Semicircle means setengah lingkaran. And then for the adjective, you can say semicircular. 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 Alright. And then for example, here we have the protector. And then you want to describe it. Just say the protector is semicircular. Alright. The next is Pentagon. Repeat after me. Pentagon. Alright, so what is the meaning of pentagon? Ya, ini segi 5. Okay, and then for the adjective, you can say pentagonal. Pentagonal. Alright, for example, here we have a slice of orange, and then you want to describe it. Just say, this slice of orange is pentagonal. Alright, and then the next, cube. Cube. Did you remember the meaning of cube? Yes, alright. Cube means kubus. And then for the adjective, just say cubicle. Cubicle. Repeat after me. Cubicle. Alright, for example, here we have a die. You want to describe it? Just say, this dice is cubicle. And then the next, sphere. Alright, sphere. Sphere means bulat. And then for the adjective, you can say spherical. Spherical. Alright, for example, here we have a ball. You want to describe it? Just say a ball is spherical. And then the next, cylinder. Did you still remember the meaning of cylinder? Alright, cylinder means cylinder. And then for the adjective, just say cylindrical. Cylindrical. Repeat after me. Cylindrical. Okay, for example, here we have a can. You want to describe it? Just say can is cylindrical. And then the next, we also have cone. 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 Did you still remember the meaning of cone? Alright. Cone means kerucut. And then for the adjective, just say conical. Repeat after me. Conical. Conical. Okay, for example, here we have an ice cream. And then you want to describe it. This ice cream cone is conical. Alright. And then the last. Here we have pyramid. Okay, pyramid. Okay, pyramid means pyramid. And then for the adjective, we have pyramidal. Pyramidal. Repeat after me. Pyramidal. Alright, for example, here we have Egyptian pyramid. And then we want to describe it. Just say the shape of Egyptian pyramid is pyramid. It is pyramidal. Alright, do you understand about the adjective words or adjective vocabulary and how to describe things or anything that you can see using this kind of adjective word? Alright, great student.
Okay, now we move to the match games. In this section, you will see some pictures, and then I will ask you to match the picture with appropriate adjective words. Are you ready? Let's start the game.
Okay, the first question. Yep. There are two pictures here in the right side, and there are three adjective words in the left side. What is the name of the first picture? Can you mention it? Alright. It is a rainbow. And then, what is the second picture? Can you mention it? Yup. It is drawing book. Alright, now on the left side, we also have several adjective words such as circular, semicircular, and also rectangular. Now, I will give you 3 seconds to match the picture with the adjective word. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, now for the rainbow, what is the adjective word that's appropriate with rainbow? Yup, semicircular. And then, how about drawing book? Please say it loudly. I can't hear you. Alright, rectangular. Next, we move to the second question. Okay, so what is the first picture? What is the name of the first picture? Yup, it is a globe. And then, what is the second picture? Yeah, it is ring. And then, for the adjective in the left side, we also have spherical, cubicle, and circular. I will give you 3 seconds to match the picture with the appropriate adjective word. 3, 2, 1. Alright. So, how about the globe? What is the appropriate adjective for globe? What? Alright. Spherical. And then, how about ring? I can't hear you. Alright. Circular. Okay, the next activity is reading text. There is a text here. I will ask you to read the text and write down the adjective word that you find in the text. Are you ready? Let's start to read it. Yeah, here is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and joining this class. You are all the great students. Before I close this video, I will make a simple review related to the material today. Alright, so today we have learned about adjective vocabularies of shapes. And now, can you mention the adjective vocabularies of this shape? Alright, yes, it is such as rectangular, circular, triangular, and then pentagonal, cubicle, and others. Good. And don't forget to do your exercise in the description box below. Just click on the link and do you understand? Okay, before we close our class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, goodbye and see you in the next video.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it.